Sit. Sit, my girl. Hey, hey. Sit. You like that orange? You like that orange, little girl? Hmm? You like that orange? We gotta share, Heaven. You get some, and I get some. We gotta share. We're eating these oranges together. Okay? Okay, my big girl? Yes? All right. I got another one for you. Gotcha. You want another one? You like that orange, don't you? Yes? You like that orange, my girl? Yeah, that's why you keep licking them choppers. Where's some more? That's what you're saying already? Hmm? What's your last one? So you need to chew it. Chew it. There you go. Well, it's juicy. You slobbing. You slobbing, girl. It's juicy, ain't it? Oranges is juicy. Hmm? Alright, I'll give you the last piece. I'm gonna get my bite. This is yours. That's my good girl. Chew, chew, chew. That's my good girl. No more. Okay. No more. Okay? Heaven, why won't you lay down? Huh? Why won't you lay down, little girl? Tell me why. No. Tell him move. Tell him move. Get him. Get him, girl. Tell him move. Tell him move away from mommy. Get him, girl. Get him. Tell him go. Yeah, they listen. They listen. Oh, what do you see? Do you smell it? So you're already laying down. I didn't say sit, lay down, nothing. You smell it? You're already licking your choppers.